What's up guys, Clint Reether here at MarineMax in Lewisville, Texas. Today we're going to check out a 2023 Aris 250 Solstice. Let's check it out. Now that we're inside the boat, we've outfitted this boat with the Moonlight Gray. Again, all dry storage underneath the seatings here. True ski locker for more storage. With the Solstice and up, you still have the raised helm. 7-inch Simrad screen along with the analog gauges to go along about your day. This is upgraded with the Ion Tower. This is RGB panels interior that match the cup holders and the flooring throughout the boat. Again, with the SL lounger, swivels back and forth, lays all the way flat too. A lot of storage back here underneath these seats right here. Integrated cooler right here. Awesome ski tow bar for tubing, skiing, whatever you want to use it for. It's rated up to 500 pounds. This is outgraded with the Mercury 400. If this is something that interests you, we have many others. Come check us out. My name is Clint Reether at MarineMax in Lewisville, Texas.